was morning at Sunshine School and the playground buzzed with excitement. But something was different today. Some kids were slow and sleepy, while others were zooming like rockets. Teacher Maya gathered everyone together. Today, she said with a smile, "We're learning the secret of school energy, and it starts with what we eat." Just then, the energy song began. School energy song. Breakfast time, the day begins. Healthy food means energy wins. Oatmeal, eggs, fruit so bright. Fuel your body, feel the might. Eat smart, play strong all day long. Run and jump to the energy song. Healthy bites give power to you. Zoom, 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 there's so much to do. Story moment. After breakfast, the class went outside. Sam, who ate chips and soda, sat down quickly. "I'm tired already." But Mia, who ate yogurt and bananas, was climbing, jumping, and laughing. Teacher Maya said, "Healthy foods give your body lasting energy, not quick crashes." Carrots crunch and apples sweet. Good food gives your muscles heat. Milk and nuts, grains and beans. Energy, power for your routine. Eat smart, play strong all day long. Run and jump to the energy song. Climb up high, race your friends. Healthy energy never ends. Story adventure. Next was energy challenge time. The kids ran a mini race, played tag, jumped over cones, danced to the music. After playing, Teacher Maya asked, "What helped you stay strong?" The kids shouted, "Healthy food energy." Water sip, don't forget, best drink choice you can get. Too much sugar, slow and low. Healthy choices help you glow. Proteins build, fruits refresh. Veggies help your body feel fresh. Whole grains keep your energy steady. Healthy heroes always ready. Eat smart, play strong all day long. Move your body to the energy song. Learn and play, laugh and cheer. Healthy energy powers the year. Healthy food we choose today. Strong and active, hip hooray. At the end of the day, the class made an energy promise. We will choose foods that help our bodies grow, learn, and play. Teacher Maya smiled. "You're all school energy heroes." And off they ran. Faster, stronger, and full of healthy power.